Hello guys and welcome to Minecraft Pocket Edition. So this is me, Geneva. So I'm gonna show you how to make some cactus rain. It's so easy, but you can make it by yourself because it's so easy. Okay, so let's read this sign. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Just put the sign at the cactus. Okay, I'm ready. But are you ready, guys? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! Whoa! Oh my gosh, there's so many cactus. Okay, so this is like a cool ride, but please like my video and thanks for watching. Hope you like my simple video, and I'm just showing you how to make some cactus rain. Okay, so goodbye. Thanks for watching.